If you're spending hundreds of dollars every month on ChatGPT, Canva, MidJourney, and a dozen other AI tools that don't even talk to each other, this video could save you over $3,600 this year. Stick around because what I'm about to show you replaces all of them for a one-time payment of just $17. Here's the problem most entrepreneurs are dealing with right now. You're juggling 10 different AI subscriptions. ChatGPT for writing, Canva for designs, MidJourney for images, 11 labs for voiceovers, and none of them know anything about your business. Every time you need content, you're starting from scratch, explaining your brand voice, re-entering your offers, describing your audience. It's exhausting. And even worse, you're paying $300 to $500 every single month for this headache. That's $3,600 to $6,000 per year just to get generic AI outputs that still need heavy editing. Enter Clever AI Studio. This is not just another AI tool. This is the first AI platform that actually learns your specific business and remembers it. You paste your website, your Google Docs, or even a competitor's site, and Clever AI Studio scans it, learns your brand voice, your offers, your audience, your positioning, and then creates content that sounds like you wrote it. No more endless prompting. No more explaining yourself every time. It just knows. Here's how simple this is. 3 steps. Step 1. Add your business information. Paste your website URL, upload a document, or enter competitor details. Clever AI Studio scans everything and builds a custom AI agent for your business. Step 2. Pick what you want to create. Blog post, Facebook ad, YouTube script, product description, email sequence. Just click. Step 3. Get instant on brand results, ready to publish. No editing needed, no prompting required. That's it. Train it once. Use it forever. Now let's talk about what this actually replaces. Clever AI Studio has over 300 AI tools built into one dashboard. That means it replaces ChatGPT for copywriting, Canva for graphic design, MidJourney for image generation, 11 labs for voiceovers, Runway and Pika for video creation, Jasper for SEO content, and dozens more. Everything you need is right here. One login, one dashboard, one payment. Let's do the math on what you're actually saving. If you're currently paying for ChatGPT Plus, that's $20 a month. Canva Pro, another $15. MidJourney, $30. 11 Labs, $22. A video tool like Runway, $35. Add in a few others, and you're easily at $300 to $500 per month. That's $3,600 to $6,000 per year. Clever AI Studio, $17. One time. No monthly fees, no subscriptions. You do the math. You're saving over 21,000% in the first year alone. So what can you actually do with Clever AI Studio? First, there's the Copywriting Studio. Blogs, ad copy, sales pages, email sequences, SEO content, product descriptions, and video scripts, all trained on your brand voice. Then there's the Video Studio. Text to video, viral shorts, animations, talking avatars, full video editing. The Voiceover Studio gives you access to over 2,000 human-like voices. You can even clone your own voice. The Image Studio creates 4K visuals, unique avatars, face swaps, image restoration, AI art, all on brand. And there are tools for SEO keywords, meta tags, Google and Facebook ad campaigns, 24/7 AI chatbots, lead capture flows, landing pages, and social media posts. This is a complete marketing suite, not just a writing tool. So who is this perfect for? If you're a digital marketer or run an agency, this lets you serve more clients. Without hiring more people, solopreneurs and freelancers can skip the expense of designers, copywriters, and video editors. Just do it yourself in minutes. Content creators and influencers can automate videos, thumbnails, captions, and scripts. Stay consistent without burning out. E-commerce store owners get product photos, descriptions, ads, and social content all in one place. Coaches, course creators, and consultants can build lesson content, videos, workbooks, and funnels in hours instead of weeks. Even real estate agents can use this for property photos, promotional videos, and 24/7 chatbots. Basically, if you create content or run marketing campaigns, this is for you. Now you're probably thinking, what's the catch? Here's the honest truth. Clever AI Studio is launching at $17 as a founder price. After the launch period ends, the price jumps to $47 or more. So if you want it at $17, you need to grab it during the launch window. That's the only catch. Oh, and there's a commercial license included. That means you can use this for client work and keep 100% of the profit. So if you're an agency or freelancer, you can literally make your money back on your first client project. Now if you grab Clever AI Studio through my link in the description, you'll also get access to my exclusive bonuses to help you get results even faster. So, be sure to click on the link below in the description to find out what exclusive bonuses I'm including with your purchase of Clever AI Studio through my link. Alright, let's be real for a second. If you're someone who doesn't create content regularly, you probably don't need this. And if you're perfectly happy with your current AI tools and don't mind paying monthly subscriptions, stick with what you have. But if you're tired of juggling a dozen tools, if you're sick of generic AI outputs that don't sound like you, and if you want to save thousands of dollars per year, this is a no-brainer. The fact that it's a one-time $17 payment and includes a commercial license makes it one of the easiest decisions you'll make this year. Plus, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you're literally risking nothing. Here's what to do next. Click the link in the description. That'll take you to my official Clever AI Studio bonus page offer, where you can grab it for $17, while the founder pricing is still available. After you complete your purchase, check your email for product access and check your JVZoo purchase page for the link to access your included bonuses. It's that simple. Remember, the $17 price won't last, and my bonuses are only available through my link. So if this makes sense for your business, grab it now before the price goes up. Again, the link is in the description. And if you found this review helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button. Check out and subscribe to our AI Marketing Tools Insider channel on YouTube for more ways to leverage AI in your business. I'll see you in the next one.